Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are preparing this delicious pasta or macaroni. So this is a special macaroni that I like to prepare for I and my family. Okay, so I'll start by frying my macaroni. Okay, this one is dry frying. I'll fry it until it becomes brown, and then when it becomes brown I pour it into a wide pan for it to cool down. In my cooking pan, I'll add some vegetable oil into it, dice some onions and garlic into it. Okay, I'll saute it for some time before adding my tomato paste. So it's optional, you can decide to use just tomato paste or you can also add fresh tomatoes, but I'm going to blend fresh tomatoes with pepper together and add it to this to make a stew. Please cook this for 2 minutes, then add in your natural herbs or spices. Okay, I'll be putting the list of ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. I also added some curry powder and then some seasoning cube, and then of course some salt. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe so that you wouldn't miss any interesting content from my channel. Okay, so I went ahead to add my fish. Okay, this is mackerel that I just added. I'll also be adding some smoked fish. So before adding your smoked fish, make sure that you have some fresh onions with it. Okay, so that when you are cooking, the smoked fish wouldn't cause any kind of scent that you don't like. So add the onions, prevent that kind of fishy scent. Okay, and do not stir it. Wait for a while before stirring. And so right now I just add some water that will enable me to cook the macaroni. Do not put the water that much because macaroni do not need a lot of water to cook. So when the water is boiling, go ahead to pour in your roasted or fried macaroni. See how nice it is looking already. So guys, at this point you can test for salt. If it is not enough, you can add salt to your taste. Give it a quick stir and then cover it, let it cook. This is about 10 to 15 minutes time. It is not yet ready, so I use this rubber flame to cover it to trap all the heat. Okay, so at this point it is on low heat. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead to add my chopped vegetables. Okay, I did not mention this earlier on, but any vegetables at all that you have, you can use it. I use some bell peppers. Please give this a gentle stir. Just give it a gentle stir and then cover it to cook for some minutes. Please guys, if you made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and comment. Do you wish to prepare such a pasta? For me every time this is my go-to pasta preparation. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and support, and see you in my next video. Bye.